How do you pitch to investors and get investor money? And today we're going to talk about that.
Take effing action, put it together, and subscribe to Tom Peng's channel on YouTube now. Yeah, I like it. It's crazy.
I don't normally pitch to investors. I'm self-funded. I use my own money to build everything that is in my group of companies. However, that is not always the smartest strategy, and we often want to leverage other people's money, use other people's money to build our dreams. And today we're going to talk about how to pitch your ideas to investors so that they give you their money so you can build an empire, all right? So very simply, when you pitch your idea, you have to do a few things. One, you have to present the problem clearly. You have to tell your investors what problems you are trying to solve. And that problem has to be a problem that they understand and they think is serious, and if solved, then can generate a lot of money, right? And two is you have to present a solution. And that solution has to be viable. That solution has to be a good solution that they believe in and that people will pay money for. And that's the kind of solutions that investors want. And three, you have to present the opportunity. You have problem, you have solution, but if there is no market, if there's nobody that need that solution and willing to pay for it, then that idea is not a good idea. So you have to present the market size. How big is the market? How many people will pay for it? And give them some numbers, what kind of money, what kind of profit you can generate. And finally, it is the call to action. You have to tell the investor to give you the money, right? So again, one, you have to give them the problem. Two, you gotta give them the solution. And three, you gotta tell them the opportunity. And finally, you have to give them the call to action, tell them what to do next, all right? So I'm going to take one of my products and I'm going to give you the pitch in 2 minutes, all right? 2 minutes. I'm gonna do this pitch in 2 minutes. I have nothing prepared, so this should be interesting. Let's go. The world is changing. There is an US-China international trade war going on right now, and that is causing more and more manufacturers to build up and move to Vietnam. And all these suppliers and manufacturers are looking for ways to export across the world. And more international buyers are looking to Vietnam to find their suppliers. Unfortunately, right now, today, it's really hard to find Vietnamese suppliers because there is no platform on the internet that focus and specialize in Vietnam suppliers. And this is the reason why we built SourceVietnam.com. SourceVietnam.com is the platform that focuses only on Vietnamese suppliers and high quality suppliers. We only allow high quality Vietnamese suppliers to go on this platform so that international buyers can trust the platform to find quality suppliers. And we charge suppliers by subscriptions, and we are aiming to capture 1% of the market. There are 140,000 manufacturers in Vietnam. If we capture 1%, we'll generate about $1 million in revenue this year. And we already have 300 suppliers on the platform right now. So invest now. In the 1990s, there was Jack Ma. Jack Ma built Alibaba.com that allowed Chinese suppliers to export around the world. And let's repeat that again, but this time in Vietnam. Thank you. So that was less than 2 minutes, okay? That was less than 2 minutes. So that's how you do it. Problem, solution, opportunity, all right? Finally, the call to action. And think about your product, your services, your idea. Think about how you're gonna structure your pitch to investors, and I hope you get the investment money that you deserve, all right? So take some fucking action, build your investor pitch, and don't be a fucktard.